Okay.
So who do you think is gonna win the elections today?
I thought it was DA at first, but now I'm going with EFF. I think EFF is going to take it most definitely because it has a lot of supporters. Everybody's supporting EFF. I don't think anybody's going to be going back to the ANC because you see what's happening. Yeah, EFF.
Elections, ANC will win again, but not by the big margin that they always do. EFF is going to be second and DA is going to split it. The smaller parties will also, in the communities like separate, I live in Lenasia, smaller parties are taking over there and people are trusting the local parties more. The smaller parties like Al Jamaadem and all of those things. And if I do have a vote, I think I'm going to give my vote to Kaitan this year. Good guy, he's doing good things. He's trying, he's helping the community.
To be honest, between EFF and DA, but I think EFF. That's what I think. I think EFF. Because EFF's targeting the youth and a lot of the youth is suffering.
Zuma's party, MK, I don't know how you say the name. I think because he's helped us in the past, so people might trust him more, you feel me?
The ANC. It's a popular party. It might have made errors here and there, but there is room for improvement. Obviously, ANC, kanti ucabanga. Ngoba vele yiyo vele leli country, yiyo vele ngicabanga. Mandela, sure.